What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the rental guy from the On Location. I'm picking up some tents here. I thought I'd just give you a midweek vlog. So midweek vlog, hired a new employee this week. He's working out great. Started him at 16, already raised him to $18 because he's worth it. He's smart, smarter than me. It's absolutely fantastic. Anyways, we installed these tents here this morning, and I've been training him on different things. Like I said in my earlier vlogs, I was going to do this one right and give expectations. So I expect him to learn fast, be able to work alone, drive. But in order to do that, I have to do the proper training. So day one, I trained him in tent installs, and then I trained him in tent takedowns. I've also trained him in how to clean the warehouse. And then this morning, we trained in pop-up tent setup. Pause. This is a ratchet strap, Erickson. I get them from Princess Auto. I use them for almost everything. Normally, I keep the orange ones for safety scenarios. However, we ran out today. So we use usually black with the tents and orange to pack things up on our trailers, blah, blah, blah. You get it. Retractable ratchet straps. Never have to wrestle with the ratchet again. We're learning pop-up tent installs. I've got him using the Milwaukee mud wixer to drive in the stakes there, but then we're also doing some of them by hand, because if you've seen in some of my other videos, we have two different methods to install the pop-up tents with ratchets and stakes. We still got a few other things to train, but that's where we're at with that so far. Okay, pause. Time for a little lesson here. These tents, I get both of them from Costco. This is kind of a light medium duty version of a 10x20, and this is a medium duty version of a 10x10. Now, the 10x10 tents, they are great because they never get wrecked. Customers barely ever wreck them because they're so easy to set up. The 10x20s of the medium duty, they get wrecked all the time because they're frail. So I buy the good quality 10x20 tents for customer pickups, and the medium duty 10x20 tents we do our setups for because we know that we're not going to wreck them. We know how to use them. And then with the 10x20 tents that we do give to customers, we send a video, this video right here, to them so that they know how to properly set them up. So this is a medium duty 10x10 delivery and setup only. This is a medium duty 10x10 tent. We use them for both. And this one's way newer than this one. That's why you can see the white difference. Good talk. What did I do? This week I bought a new trailer. That's the new trailer there. Why did I buy it? Because when we're doing the running in the minivan, we need a little bit of extra space. Plus, I bought that miniature skid steer that I made the tent tool for on top. So this is the tent lift tool. It's just a quick attach back with kind of the same idea that you would see from a manual center pull. It's kind of the same idea as that on a quick attach tool. So this thing has the same sort of fittings as like a Toro miniature skid steer. And I needed something to haul it around on. Additionally, when we go to tent setups, we are going to have staff in there with the miniature skid steer rolling behind, where I will roll in one of the bigger vehicles with the rentals. And that's how things are going to go. This is the midweek update. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. As always, you stay classy.